Oh, I'm sorry. God, I don't know what I did to that lady, but she sure is mad. She was yelling at somebody else, like some invisible person, I think. But I took the credit for it anyway. I don't know. You got a lot of those around here lately. Crazy people yelling obscenities. Where do we want to go? Oh, that's the delivery guy over there on the bike behind the bus. That guy's like the super like Uber Eats and DoorDash guy on the strip. I've never seen anything like it before. Sorry?
Which way is north?
North is that way. What are you looking for?
I want to go down to Bonneville. So Bonneville is that way?
Bonneville is that way, about 3 or 4 blocks, I want to say. Alright, thought I could help that guy a little bit.